I gave you my heart.
What's goody?
Hey guys,
We is done up in here. Done.
I can't even concentrate. You guys peeped out what I just did right now.
Mama, take that bite. Right there. Mmm. Look at that.
I don't feel good, so
We got nacho fries, quesadillas, quesadilla, man, that soda is hitting up the ears right now, man.
shout out to everybody that was in our live last night.
Sorry if you hear the heater on. Man, this is hitting the spot. Like, for real, for real. We did it once again. Comment down below if you're that person that be like, I'm not gonna drink again. I'm done. That was me all week until last night. Okay? Let me have me my soft taco real quick. Add some mild sauce. Let me know down below if you put any sauce on your tacos. I'm about to show you real quick.
Wow, this motherfucker is heavy. Look at this. Crunch wrap.
Comment down below how do you like your tacos. Like beef, chicken, chicken supreme, chicken and sour cream.
I'm tired.
We didn't go to sleep till 6 o'clock in the morning. I gotta go straight to work after this.
Woody, come on. I'm gonna go right the hell upstairs to go to bed because
My name's tired.
I don't feel good.
Let's have some nacho fries. Dipping it into it, honey. Shout out to every motherfucker that was hating on us last night. Get on the treadmill, get on this. Bitch, I'm eating. What's up? What's up? Alright? What's up? Can you afford this? Huh? Can you hang? Nah. Huh?
I'm thinking about if I'm gonna feel better enough to throw another mukbang tonight.
We're about to do double mukbang today. What? Alright? If you're not giving me a gym membership, if you're not buying me that treadmill, if you're not buying me the Peloton, don't talk shit. How about that?
Yeah. And, you know, if you don't like what you see,
Taking out more food. How about that? Alright? Hello? Shit.
Planet Fitness has a deal. $10 subscription. Send my ass to the gym. Pay for it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? If you're that pressed on what I look like.
I love to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Get you a fat bitch that could eat, okay? Not only could she eat, but she could buy the whole table, okay? Wow.
I'm gonna make you your own food in the field.
This soda. Wow, these fries are really good today. You want some? Marlene looks done.
I am.
Dunsky. Thank you guys for always showing us love, support. We love you guys. If I could get the damn napkin, it'd be nice. Here you go.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys that show us support. Shout out to Karina for always donating to us, super chatting us when we're in the lives. You know, it really does mean a lot. You're the only one that donates.
No, somebody else donated, I think, last night too. I can't think of the name, but thank you so
Shout out
much.
to you.
It means the world to us.
Thanks to you guys.
Excuse me. Y'all heard that burp?
There you go with the burping.
Burping coming through for days. Alright? And I bought another soda because I was like, you know what? I already know we was going to need more soda. Okay? So, let me refill up the cup. You know, guys, I'm not as drunk. When I woke up this morning, I was a little bit sick, but I'm kind of energized. And I drank last night. Like, last night would have been the day that I probably overdid it before, but I mean, and I smoked so much hookah last night, but for some odd reason I feel fine, you know, so which is nice.
I don't know, I feel like shit.
Marlene is probably more dead today than last time. She might not.
I'm not drunk. I don't have like a hangover. I just have cramps. Like,
oh.
I have double whammy. You know what I'm saying? I've been hit with both shit.
So, let's do a quesadilla real quick. OMG. Steak quesadilla. Hold up, mama, because you're not ready. You're not ready for what I'm about to do. Okay? Not only am I going to dip it and do it with nacho cheese for you, okay? We're going to hit a double motherfucking whammy. Alright? Look at that. Mama, let it drip. When you know it's drip, you know it's extra good. Okay? Alright? So. I'm
about to take a nap right here in between this mukbang.
Are you serious?
I'm about to pull out my pillow and just go to sleep right here.
Can one of y'all have us come through? Because she's not about that life today. She really not. I'm about to trade my sister for somebody else.
Yo, I got cramps, bro. Like, when I got cramps, don't even play with me.
Bro.
Like, I'm dead. Hate having fucking cramps. Look at this.
I think every woman does.
You don't got cramps like that.
Not really. Thank you, Jesus.
I always gotta pop some pills. Like, once them cramps kick in, I can't go to sleep. I had to go take me a hot ass shower. Okay? Stand in the shower. Let the hot water hit my stomach. Okay? It's just a disaster.
Because it's a little spicy today.
Look at this. See that?
That looks so good.
Want a bite?
Mm-mm. I got my own.
She
I
bought
saw-
my food.
I got quesarito, gordita crunch, soft taco supreme. Right.
Like I said, you gotta be careful with this. It oozes out. It's oozing out already.
Last bite, mama. Well, last bite for you, not for me.
Call me later and let me know if you want me to cook or not. Cause if not,
Who cooking? Nobody cooking today.
there's pollo in the fridge.
I don't care if
There's
this fucking...
pollito.
I don't care if there's steak. Filet mignon.
So you don't want my filet mignon entonces?
No, I don't want it. I don't want it. Okay?
Oh my god. That's crazy. ¿Tú no quieres filet mignon entonces, era?
No, I don't.
Oh my god. Like, I can't. I don't even think I could eat this. Wow, I'm whack. Like, Pop, I cannot give you this. This is so spicy. You'll be dead. And I don't think you want to do that right now.
Guys, come and replace my sister because
Hey, you're being rude right now.
she can't hang.
Yo, if you a lady and you felt what I felt right now, you wouldn't even be right here sitting down.
Really, is that bad?
I got
Wow.
cramps. And they say this is what it feels like to have a baby, like
Hell
10
no.
times worse.
Nobody
I couldn't
got
do
time.
it. I couldn't do it.
My mouth is burning. Okay.
Yeah,
From
this is spicy, girl.
the
Today,
quesadilla was spicy, man.
darling, pero
I'm sorry, you guys. I just got a burp to make more space. Like, come replace my sister. Someone. Hello.
I'm eating. G, stop.
Right here. Chicken gordita crunch is where it's at. Alright? Let me put... I'm stuck with that alright shit, okay? Let me put mayo sauce even
Coño,
though...
carajo, but we didn't even fucking do a thumbnail.
That's okay. Don't worry
Oh
about
my
it.
god, we're so stupid.
Let's do one right now. If we can.
Right now? I got food all over my mouth.
Excuse me.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. When I'm hungover, I burp. Y'all know I don't burp like that. Alright? I don't be burping like that, you guys. But when I'm hungover, hell yeah. I'm not that hungover though. So, I could fucking drink. Invite me to a party somebody today. I'll come through and drink all over again.
Hell no.
No?
We left. I left drink last night. I still got a bottle, like
Half a drink.
Yeah.
I did leave some. When
I'm
I was
like,
going,
oh, I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna drink while I do the mukbang. Fuck that. I ain't doing shit. Yo, whoever did this food really fucking added extra heat to that shit.
But this
Oh
is
my
good. They
God.
packed some good amount of food in this taco.
I can't eat no more.
Mine is done. There's still a quesarito, chicken soft taco. Come through and help a bitch eat. Oh.
Hey, I said excuse me and I did it properly. That's proper etiquette when it comes to burping. Excuse me.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me, okay? I did it the right way. Eta. She scared a bitch. It sound like a motherfucking shootout with her burps. There I go, making a mess. I should buy me an extra large fucking bib because I don't know how to eat these days. Ridiculous.
Bro. I'm stuffed.
I don't know why you bought this much food. I don't understand. Take this shit to work and give it to somebody.
I'm gonna eat it. Kidding me? You kidding me?
You're gonna eat it? I don't think you can eat all that. You're such a liar.
I might not eat it right now, but I'm gonna take it to work and eat it. Listen, I'm not fat for nothing, okay?
Yeah.
I love to eat.
Yeah, we really do.
¿Tú crees que yo voy a botar esto? You think I'm gonna throw this out, give it to someone? No. Okay, I might give it to my homeboy because, you know, sometimes he don't got nothing to eat. So I might
give
just
it to him.
I'm about to give it to him. But yeah, I'm not throwing it out. Now I'll probably eat the quesarito. Maybe I'll take him the thing because, wow, my mouth is burning. But we don't let no food go to waste in this house. No food. If we do have to throw out food, which is very rare, like maybe con or pegao, like in the bottom of the pot, like the rice and stuff, I can't eat it from this side.
Oh my. Yo, I'm about to fucking put you in a chokehold.
I got space now.
Are you fucking kidding?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. She's so crazy. Like, when I had to throw... Sorry, my nose is running, so if you see that, I very much apologize, but I'm not about to stop the mukbang to clean my nose. Okay? Excuse me. See how I burped? Y'all couldn't even hear that? Proper etiquette when it comes to burping, ladies and gentlemen. If I had to throw out food, I throw it out in the grass because I want
spicy.
I want the birds to eat it, or the skunks or somebody.
There's skunks, and what's that other animal that looks like a rat?
Raccoon?
Not a raccoon.
Squirrel?
It could be a raccoon or something else, but not a porcupine.
There is some back there, I think. So
something else, but yeah, you got the point.
That's spicy.
Wow, this is spicy.
Whoever did that today,
wow, they're killing me.
Trying to kill us.
Oh yeah.
When I tell you that spicy, forget it, brother. Forget it, brother. Dios mío.
They're trying to kill me. Man, listen, you guys. I'm gonna finish this off camera. It's really spicy. I don't know if I could even finish it. That's how spicy it is. Like, my mouth is burning right now.
I told you.
I don't really eat spice like that, so
I don't know.
There goes that.
I don't know how.
I'm gonna take this soft taco to someone at my job. So I'm gonna just eat the outer layer because of the cheese. We hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for all your love, for all your support. And Marlene, you okay? Bring some flowers to Marlene. Someone bring her flowers. Bring her some ginger ale. Bring her something. You okay, Mar? Alright.
Sorry.
She's dabbing. Alright?
I'm sick. I'm sick.
We hope you guys enjoy this video.
Thank you guys
so much for watching. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.